On a Pixel, the most basic thing you can ask your phone is to call someone. Hey Google, call my wife. For a year, that worked perfectly with Google Assistant. Then Google replaced Assistant with Gemini, the new AI, and quietly made Gemini the default. And now, for a lot of people, Gemini cannot reliably make a phone call. Here's what's happening and how to fix it. This is a real Pixel user this week. He asks Gemini, hey Google, call my wife. Gemini answers, I'm just a large language model. I can't help you make phone calls. He tries again. Gemini says, I can't help you call anyone directly, but if you say, call name, I'll do it, which is exactly what he just said. The user calls it hostage negotiation, not a phone assistant. Now, the one that should worry you, another user got Gemini to call his mum on Android Auto. Someone answered, but it wasn't his mum. Gemini had changed one digit of her phone number while dialing. 555-5555 became 555-6555. The correct number was the one stored in his phone. Gemini didn't misread it, it made up the wrong one. That's one user's report. It's still terrifying. And it's not just calls. The same user report text, Tanya gets I can't send texts, I can't compose one. Play my energy playlist gets I can't play music. Call Dave gets unlock your phone first, which defeats the entire point when you're driving. Once you're outside cell signal, Gemini is completely useless. The old assistant did all of this offline without ceremony. Gemini just argues with you. Here is the fix. You can switch back to the old Google Assistant, open the Google app, tap your profile picture, top right, tap Google Assistant, scroll down to Digital Assistants from Google, switch it from Gemini back to Google Assistant, calls will work again, texts work again, driving mode behaves. The old assistant is still in there. Google just hid the switch. Quiet revert, no data lost. Now, here's my guru's catch. This is the same pattern as Gemini in Google Photos, same pattern as Google Maps, same pattern as Fitbit becoming Google Health. Google is replacing things that already worked with AI layers that don't. Each one defaults on, each one buries the toggle, the revert paths are still there. For now, audit every Google app you actually depend on while the off switches still exist.